Welcome to Ambient Tutorials. Today, Günther will show you how to retrofit your QuickPole boom with an internal cable. In addition to one of our cable kits, with coiled or straight cable, with right-angled or straight outlet, you will need a screwdriver and a spanner. Let's go! First, loosen the screw at the tip of the boom pole with the screwdriver. Then use the spanner to unscrew the tip completely. Remove the inserted end piece and, finally, remove the rubber end part at the bottom. Now you can insert the cable. If you use a coiled cable, insert it slowly into the tubes with twisting movements, so far that you can grip the XLR end piece at the bottom. Then plug the XLR into the corresponding attachment of our cable kit. Before reattaching the tip, pull out the cable at the upper end, so far that you can insert the thicker part into the recess provided. Then reinsert the end piece and screw the tip back in place. Use the spanner and screwdriver to tighten the tip again. At the lower end of the boom, you can now screw the cable kit attachment onto the thread. Finally, attach the rubber end piece again. There you go. Thanks to the coiled cable, you can now flexibly extend and collapse the boom pole. A small tip to ensure that the cable lasts a long time: as the tubes move when they are opened and closed, the cable can twist. So it makes sense to open the thread at the bottom at regular intervals and let the cable swing out. If you are more a fan of straight cables, there is the other cable kit for you. The first step with unscrewing the tip is the same as with the coiled cable. When you insert the cable into the tubes now, you must do it until you can insert the thicker part into the recess provided. Again, reinsert the end piece and screw the tip back in place. Then, take the long cable at the outlet and lead the XLR tip through the opening in the cable kit attachment. Put it all the way through until you can tighten the thread on the boom pole. Then again, reattach the rubber end piece. Now all you have to do is attach the mini XLR to XLR adapter to the end of the cable, and your boom is ready for the set. Sounds great, doesn't it? Thanks for watching and happy booming!